Welcome to another adventure with the Cohns, and on this adventure, we're heading to the Waterfront Park in Clermont, Florida.
Yeah, we have been wanting to visit this park for a while. There's a little beach along the lake of Lake Minneola. There's a splash pad, there's bike trails, so we brought our bikes. We just thought it would be a fun place to check out as a family.
So come along with us and see what Waterfront Park is all about. So here we are at the Waterfront Park at, I'm going to say, Lake Minneola, and this seems to be a nice looking park. You get Lake Minneola, you even have like a beach, playground for the kids to play on. Beach is down there. You get people water skiing. And then you could even have a little beach area there where your kids can, or even you, want to get in the water. But there's definitely a spot that our girls wanted to do, and it's the splash pad, which is coming up straight ahead. And then if you wanted to bring some food for lunch, you could do that. You could sit over there or at the beach. But they're actually having an event going on today. But this is the splash pad. And looks like this is where we're sitting too. But definitely a nice park if you want to come to, enjoy, have a good time. Now it's time for us to eat and then go on a bike ride. Alright, so we came to the Minneola Trailhead Park. And it took about 20 minutes or so to get here from the Waterfront Park. And they've got a skate park area, they've got a baseball field, they've got basketball, they've even got a little fitness area for everybody that wants to do some. They even have a dog park too, so if you have animals, bring them on over. Dog park, that is. And they get to enjoy meeting other dogs, and you get to meet other people while you're here. And so they've got bathrooms while you're here, and kind of come showcase the little fitness area as everybody's on it except me. But let's see what it looks like. Jennifer's doing like an elliptical type working out. What are we doing here?
We're doing like an elliptical, a partner elliptical. Do you want to try it? It's
partnering? Oh, interesting. Maybe you can have like a challenge. And then let's see what Sweet Pea's doing. What are you doing?
I'm just swinging.
As you know what Dory would say, just keep swinging, just keep swinging.
Can I swing now?
Uh-oh. I guess Pumpkin lost. All right, so we're gonna head back to the Waterfront Park.
around, but it's nice water. It's clean water. What do you think?
I love it. It's hot and cold.
It's hot and cold.
It's really hot.
It's nice. It's a nice temperature.
Well, there you have it, Waterfront Park in Clermont, Florida. What an amazing time. Getting to see the beach side, getting to see the splash pad, but getting to take a bike ride down to Minneola Park? What more can you ask? If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button. But while you're at it, hit the notification bell so when we upload a new video, you get notified. Thanks for stopping by, and we look forward to seeing you on our next adventure.